Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Sonia here, and today I am here to show you a Eid makeup tutorial. Sadly we are all at home at this time, but why to stop our celebrations? Makeup to banta hai yaar. So let's get started. So firstly, use any toner. Here I'm using a rose toner to just calm my skin, as my skin has been very acne friendly. I feel really sad to talk. I don't know, I just feel very bad about it. But anyways, leave that apart. Moving on to a moisturizer, you can just take any moisturizer that suits your skin well. And here I'm using a gel based because I am really suffering between dry and oily skin, so gel finish moisturizer really suit my skin, so that's why I'm using that. And I am really patting that into my skin so that my skin doesn't feel dry or not that oily. Nextly, I'm gonna start off with my eye makeup because I'm gonna do a little bold eye makeup, so I have taken the help of sellotapes so that I just get a crisp and neat line. So firstly, I prepped up my eyelid with a concealer, and I am gonna blend that with my beauty blender. Then I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette that is in the shade Rose in the Air. You can take any one that is available with you, and I'm gonna set my lid with the lightest shade that is available in the eyeshadow palette. So guys, starting off with our eye makeup, so I'm gonna be taking this very pretty cool tone burgundy eyeshadow, and I'm gonna be placing that all over my lid. So I'm gonna be showing you one eye, and the other eye is gonna be edited so that the video is very quick. So as you guys remember how we do black smoky eyes, so exactly we're gonna do the same thing, and I promised you guys this is so simple that ये कोई भी कर सकता है. So you saw how I was doing. I was just patting the color onto my lid and then just blending the crease so that the eyeshadow looks very blended up and not stark at all. So yeah, you can build up the color as per your choice, however dark you want or however light you want. I like really dark, so that's why I at the end also I went to pat the color. And then lastly, to create that very V like shape in the eye, I took a dark brown eyeshadow and I just placed it on the corner of my eye. You can see me darkening up the burgundy color because I absolutely love dark eyeshadows, so I'm gonna be doing that until I don't like it. And yeah, to finish off, to apply the liner, I'm gonna be taking a black eyeshadow and just placing it above my lashes. I'm not gonna be going very thick or very bold. I just want a very minimalistic look, so I'm gonna be doing that on both the eyes. So you saw how easy the eye makeup was. I hope that you guys would be able to do that. Now I'm gonna start off with my face makeup. So I'm gonna be taking a concealer first, and I'm gonna be applying that under my eye and all, and around my mouth also where I have blemishes, so that that just gets a little hidden up. So I'm gonna be blending that first with my brush, and then I'm going to be blending it with my beauty blender with my brush first, so that I'm able to spread the product evenly, and then with a beauty blender so that I just get a flawless finish. So I'm going to be doing that. So guys, moving on to my foundation, I'm going to be doing the same thing, that I'm going to be applying my foundation first with the brush, and then I'm going to be blending it with my beauty blender. I promise guys, the foundation will blend in so beautiful. Even if it's a concealer you're trying to blend in with this the same step, it is gonna look beautiful because the brush really helps to coat your skin with the product, and the beauty blender really helps to pick in the extra product and makes your skin look really flawless. And also the skincare that you do really matters, so don't forget to do your skin prepping whenever you're doing your makeup. And as it is Eid, oh my god, who doesn't want to look beautiful? So yeah. just grab your products and sit with me and do the makeup. So here I have taken a brightening concealer and I've applied it all where it is required, under sorry, it's like on the T-zone and under my eye, bridge of the nose, forehead. Again, I'm gonna repeat the same step. I don't want to repeat it, as you can see it, so enjoy. So now it's time to set up all your face, and I'm gonna be applying my translucent powder under my eye and all over my face. So I'm gonna be applying a little bit extra on my T-zone and under my eye. So next thing I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows off camera, because that is a little bit time consuming. So I did that. You would be seeing in, I guess, 3 2 1. यार पोपट हो गया मेरा, but yes, that would be coming soon. See, it came. Yeah, voila. So it's all done. Moving on to my eye makeup, I'm gonna be applying the same eyeshadows that I applied on my eyelid. So first I took the burgundy shade and then I took the brown eyeshadow. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that. Yeah, eyes, yeah, I love this color. I just love this shade. I hope that you celebrate your Eid with all the fun and enthusiasm that you always celebrate. And I know there's a bad time going on, but you have to be safe. You should be safe and you should stay healthy at home. Cook good food and eat good food, and हम थोड़ा सा बाद में खा लेंगे क्योंकि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा शौक़ है कि ईद के टाइम पे जो खाने मिलता है ना, यमी यमी फ्रेंड के घर पे. सो एनी विच वेज ये साल थोड़ा मिस हो जाएगा, बट नेक्स्ट ईयर पक्का. तो तब तक वी कैन डू मेकअप एंड enjoy and feel good about Eid. So yeah, now I'm applying my favorite mascara. So this is from the Revolution. It's so pretty, man. You need not wear your false lashes. Anyways, ways, I'm not that comfortable wearing false lashes. I always try to wear, I always like to wear mascaras. So I try to, combine two mascaras. But this mascara, one may, it's enough. So I applied 2 coats of that mascara. Next, I'm gonna contour my face, and I'm gonna contour a little bit extra because I just wanted to make this look a little bit extra. Moving on to blush, one of my favorite parts. I love applying blush, and why not, yeah, it's Eid. So yeah, I'm gonna be applying my blush. I went for a very hot pink one, so I just had a sturdy hand that ज़्यादा product नहीं लगाना है. So that's why. But anyways, मैं थोड़ा overboard चली गई because as I told you, I love applying blush. It just makes your face look so fresh and so beautiful. So yeah, I'm applying my blush, and now I'm applying my highlighter, सबसे favorite part of makeup. So I'm gonna be applying that, and ये तो मैं दिल खोल कर लगाती हूँ, like मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता है. So yeah, I'm gonna be applying my highlighter all over my face. Not all over my face. I'm gonna be going on my cheekbones, my forehead, bridge of the nose, tip of the nose, cupid's bow, chin, inner corner of my eye. I'm gonna go onto my brow bone so that I just look like a disco ball. Yay! To finish off the eye makeup, I just blended up the crease again so that it just looks really clean and neat. Finally, I'm going to be applying my lipstick. So I'm going to be taking a nude shade, and on top of that I'm going to gloss it up just to change the look as we are gonna be at home, तो it's ताम झाम नहीं होगा. You can just manage your gloss. And for a change, I never used to wear glosses. Like, obviously I had so many, but I never tried. I wanted to try it and I really loved it. So this is my final finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found this video really helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because that would really mean a lot to me. So everyone, I am wishing you a very happy Eid Mubarak. I hope that you have a very safe and happy Eid. Bye guys, take care, see you soon.